Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to do healthy living style of our GK book. Here you can see this is Sia and we have to observe some good habits of Sia. Sia is ready to sit down for her meal. Tick the healthy habits should observe before, during and after her meal. In the first picture, we can see Sia is washing her hand and this is very good habit. So we will put tick in this box. And in the second picture, Sia is watching TV during the meal. Whenever we are eating meal, we should not watch TV. So this is not a good habit. So we will not put tick in this box. Now see, the table is so messy and this habit is not a good at all. So we will put nothing in this box. And see, in the picture of T, the table is very clean and Sia is in very happy mood. And we will tick in this box. And the picture of E, Sia is cleaning her table. And this is very good habit. So we will put tick. And in the last picture, Sia is sitting in a very good posture. Whenever we are eating something or reading, so we will sit in a straight postures. This is very good habit. So we will put tick in this box. In the next picture, here few things are in the picture. And this is Sia's plate. We have to put all these things in Sia's plate and we have to label all these vegetable, fruits and drinking items with a little code like vegetable, V is for vegetable, F code is for fruit and cereal code is for cereals, C. So first picture is apple. Apple and pomegranate is fruit, so we will put F in the box. And capsicum, carrot, spinach are vegetables, so we will put V in the box. And lollipop, french fries and chips are junk foods, so in case it is a junk food item, should not be added to the diet, then write the letter code of do not eat. Do not eat code is D. So we will put D in the box. Chapati, rice, these are cereals. So we will put C in the box. And drinking water, and the drink code is D. So we will put D in the box. Now these are all the items which we have to put in Sia's meal plate. Then we will put V for vegetables, F for fruits, C for cereals and D for drinking. Now we have done and Sia is ready to eat all these things and Sia will avoid to eat all these junk foods. At the same time, we should also avoid junk foods and we should eat healthy, wealthy cereals, rice and vegetables. So I hope you are all understand this good and bad habits. So we need to apply all these habits in our daily routine. So take care. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.